I'm your narrator. I'll explain what's going on in this demonstration. What you're seeing is what happened on Jan 29, 1886. This was when Carl Benz invented the first car. First, let me show you where Carl Benz is. Why am I showing you this, you may ask? What I've showed you this far is the main part of an imaginary festival called Vehicle Day. Now, let me tell you what must happen on a Vehicle Day. Number one, schools for 3 hours. They will bring toys and play with them for 3 hours. Then they will leave. Yay! Number two, offices will be closed. On this day, you'll have to wear t-shirt with shades of blue and a pair of jeans. And the traditional food for this is pizza and cola, of course. Car values are decreased and cars are released. Salesman, this is your job today. Oh, look, they are celebrating Vehicle Day. Make sure you celebrate Vehicle Day next time. What is this? Now I know what it is. A finish line. Oh, I just got an information that there is a car show going on just nearby us. Let's go see it. Come on. Hello, did you enjoy the rally? Well, I hope so. The last but not least thing to do on a vehicle day. Yes.